Hey guys, welcome to Desert Armory and More. We got ourselves here a Colt. This is a Colt Police Positive Special in a special variant called a 3220 Winchester centerfire. I shot it 6 times a couple months back. Got this handy dandy little holster. This thing's in pretty good shape for its year. It's a 1905 if I recall. And it is a Colt. Let's give it a whirl. Double action and single if I recall. Hey, with the steel. Oh, not on that one. Let's see if he does double. Yep. And one more. That's all we got. 6 shots, boys. And turn it to clear it. She's clear. She's nice and smooth, not loose or anything. That's my 1905, roughly, can't remember exactly, Colt Police Positive in 3220 Winchester centerfire. Pretty nice little gun. Thanks for stopping by, and you all have a blessed day.